Hello ladies and gents, welcome. It's good to have you here. Today I'm going to turn this English yew. I'm going to make a stem or a foot, but it's not just going to be for ordinary foot. Let me show you. I've got this massive vase that the stem broke off, so my mom asked me if I could make something for it, but this sort of thing are ideal. You know, you got that to use and glue into your wood, and this part can be used, you know, filled with water and have a natural flower in there instead of just as a like an ornament vase. So I thought it'd be nice to do a project and show you guys and give you an idea. I bet some of you going to go ahead and buy a new one and break the foot and try it, which I wouldn't blame you. It wood makes it look much better, and contrast between them. And if you're selling it, you know, your customers most likely to buy this off because they see it as a practical, not just a luxury item. These days people want something practical, so you gotta keep that in mind and go with the flow, I guess. Anyway, let's make a foot for it and see how it looks. Okay, we're going to start at 802 RPM. And I'm going to use my spindle roughing gouge. I haven't sharpened it, but it feels very sharp. I'm going to test out my new respirator. I've got this power battery powered, but I just want you guys to let me know if there is extra noise than usual, and if it bothers you guys, if it's alright. Otherwise I just have to wear it when I'm sanding, and that be off camera. But if I can wear it during the video, that'd be better. So I appreciate it if you guys let me know your take, if it's loud or not. Okay, I got it on the chalk. I'm going to expose the hardwood a bit, because as you can see all around it's sapwood with just some pimps going all around. But as you can see, this side of it is close to hardwood, and I'm gonna get that exposed. So although I'd like this to be as wide as possible, I'm going to take it a little bit down, not too much, then shape the rest. I'm going to use my 3/8 ball gouge, and we can crank up the speed a bit more. Getting there, just need a bit more here, angled deeper. Just had to sharpen my gouge. Now it's nice and sharp. Let's see the difference. That's the difference of a sharp gouge. That looks good, I think. I like the flow of it. Was getting too much for my liking, you know, too much sharp cuts. In my opinion, it needs to have a nice natural like a flow to it as well. Otherwise, it looks too much overboard if you do it. But that might be just my opinion. So I'm gonna get this sanded now. It looks really nice. I like this purple part and this part. A little bit of it's gonna get cut away, but that's the way it is. Okay, that's that one done. Now Yorkshire grit, so it takes it to 2000. That's nice. I like it. Those of you who've been watching my videos know that this is my favorite wood. It's just such a lovely wood to turn. As you saw, when you got like a sharp gouge, you get nice cut, and it feels really nice as well to turn it. Okay, that's ready for finishing now, which I'm going to apply Hampshire sheen. With Hampshire sheen, you don't need really much. It's best to build it up couple of thin layers than one thick coat. And give it 20 minutes in between each one for the first one to dry, and then apply another one. So that's what I will do. I'll let this dry, buff it up, put another coat, wait, and then buff it up, and we're done. Two is enough for this wood. Well guys, I just finished it. It looks really good with this foot on it. Let me put that away. I haven't glued it yet. But that U looks really nice. I really like this spalting that's going on. I hope you guys like it as well, and if you have similar vase that's broken, you can do similar thing. But if you're breaking it on purpose, you just be careful, take precautions and wear safety glasses, gloves. And what you would do is go with diamond glass cutting tool, cut around it, and then you can snap it. But as I say, you gotta be very careful. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys on the next project. Take care.